Have you ever experienced this? You think about something randomly, maybe a product, a place, a job, or even a lifestyle change. You don't search it, you don't type it, you don't mention it online. But later that same day, or the next day, it starts appearing everywhere. Ads, videos, recommendations, posts, and naturally you start wondering, is my phone listening to me? That question has become extremely common in today's world, but the truth is far more complex. Big tech companies don't need to listen to your conversations to know what you want, because they already have something more powerful than your voice: your behavior. Every single action you take online is being recorded. Every click, every scroll, every pause, every hesitation. And all of this is processed by systems built by companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, and others. These systems don't just observe you, they learn you, they model you, and in many cases, they can predict you. So in this video, we are breaking everything down: how your data is collected, what is collected, how it is used, why it feels so accurate, and how it affects your decisions, habits, and even your thinking. Because once you understand this system, you will never use the internet the same way again. Section 1. What your data really is. When people hear data, they usually think about basic information like name, email, or phone number. But in the modern digital world, that's almost irrelevant. The most valuable data today is behavioral data. This includes what you watch, how long you watch it, what you skip immediately, what you rewatch, what you click but don't buy, what you search but don't click, even how long you pause on something before scrolling. Every micro-action is tracked. Even a small pause of a second or two on a video is recorded as interest. Apps like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube constantly collect these signals. Individually, they seem meaningless, but when combined at scale, they create something extremely powerful: a behavioral map of human attention. This map reveals what you are interested in, what you ignore, what captures your attention, what keeps you engaged, what makes you leave. At this point, you are no longer just a user. You become a predictable data pattern, a digital version of your behavior. Section 2. How your data is collected. Now, let's break down how this information is actually collected. There are multiple systems working at the same time. App permissions. Every time you install an app, it asks for location, camera, microphone, contacts, and storage. Most people accept without thinking, but these permissions give apps access to extremely sensitive information. Location data can reveal where you live, where you work, your daily routine, how often you leave home, where you spend most of your time. Over time, this builds a detailed map of your real-life behavior. Cookies and tracking scripts. On websites, tracking continues even outside apps. Cookies are small files stored in your browser that monitor your activity. But beyond cookies, there are also tracking pixels and browser fingerprinting techniques. These systems track what pages you visit, how long you stay, what you click, what you ignore, what device you use, how you navigate a page. All of this data is sent back to servers and added to your profile. That is why something you searched once can follow you across the internet for days or weeks. Cross-app tracking. Many people assume apps work independently, but in reality, data is shared across platforms. You might watch something on YouTube, then see similar content on TikTok, and later see ads on Instagram or Google search. This is not coincidence. It happens because advertising networks connect user behavior across multiple platforms using shared identifiers and data systems. So instead of fragmented behavior, companies see a unified profile of you. Data brokers. One of the least known parts of the internet is the data broker industry. Data brokers are companies that collect, combine, and sell personal data. They gather information from social media activity, online purchases, website browsing, public records, and app usage. Then they package this data into detailed user profiles and sell them to advertisers and marketing companies. In many cases, companies you have never heard of know more about your habits than the apps you use daily. Device-level tracking. Modern devices also contribute heavily. Every smartphone and browser has unique identifiers such as advertising ID, device ID, IP address, and browser fingerprinting. Even if you delete apps or clear cookies, these identifiers can still be used to recognize you across platforms. Section 3. What big tech does with your data. Now, the most important question. Why is all this data collected? There are 4 major purposes. Targeted advertising. Companies like Google and Meta make most of their revenue from advertising, but these are not normal ads. They're precision-targeted systems. Your data is used to determine what you are likely to buy, when you are likely to buy it, what problem you are trying to solve, what emotional state you are in. For example, if you search for fitness content, you will start seeing gym ads, supplements, workout plans, and fitness influencers, not randomly, but strategically timed based on your behavior. Predictive behavioral modeling. Modern algorithms don't just analyze what you have done, they predict what you will do next. If you watch travel videos, search flights, or browse hotels, the system predicts that you are planning a trip. Before you make any decision, you are already being targeted with offers. This is called predictive analytics. It is used across platforms like YouTube and TikTok to anticipate user behavior. Attention engineering. The internet today is built around one resource, your attention, because attention equals revenue. The longer you stay on the platform, the more ads you see and the more data is collected. So platforms are designed to keep you engaged. Infinite scrolling, autoplay videos, personalized feeds, push notifications, recommended content loops. Nothing about this is accidental. It is engineered behavior design. Digital identity construction. Over time, companies build a complete behavioral model of you. This includes your interests, your habits, your personality traits, your emotional triggers, your spending behavior, your social patterns. This digital identity can be used to predict decisions and influence behavior at scale. In some cases, systems can even predict major life events like job changes, relationship shifts, or financial decisions. Section 4. Is your phone listening? Now let's address the biggest myth. Is your phone listening to you? There is no strong evidence that phones constantly listen to conversations for advertising purposes. But here's the truth. They don't need to, because your behavior already provides enough data to predict your thoughts and intentions. So when ads appear after conversations, it is usually not due to listening, but due to behavioral prediction and pattern recognition. Section 5. The real risks. This system creates serious implications. Loss of privacy. Most digital actions are stored and analyzed long-term. Even deleted data may still exist in backups or aggregated systems. Behavioral influence. Algorithms don't just show content, they shape perception. By controlling what you see repeatedly, they can influence opinions, beliefs, emotions, and decision-making. Over time, this shapes how people understand reality. Data breaches. Even the largest companies experience security breaches. When this happens, personal data such as emails, passwords, and behavioral profiles can be exposed or sold. Section 6. How to protect yourself. You cannot completely avoid data collection in the modern world, but you can reduce your exposure and regain control. Limit app permissions, turn off ad personalization, use private browsing modes, clear cookies regularly, avoid unnecessary app installations, be careful with what you accept online. The goal is not isolation. The goal is awareness. Big tech is not slowing down. These systems will only become more advanced, more accurate, and more integrated into everyday life.
But now you understand how it works. So the real question is, will you continue using the internet without awareness, or will you start paying attention to how your attention is being used? If this video opened your eyes, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it, because most people still have no idea this system exists.